Welcome. Today we're starting an important lesson that could make a real difference in your life and the lives of those around you. We're diving into fire safety, essential knowledge that everyone should have, whether you're at school, at home, or in a workshop. Understanding fire safety isn't just about following rules, it's about protecting yourself, your friends, and your community. A fire outbreak is an uncontrolled fire that can destroy property, cause injuries, and even take lives. Fires can start small but spread incredibly fast, so being prepared and knowing what to do is absolutely key. Fires are grouped into different classes based on what's burning. This helps us understand the best way to put them out and stay safe. Class A fires involve everyday solids like wood, paper, and cloth. Imagine burning books, desks, or even your school uniform. These are all Class A fires. Class B fires are caused by flammable liquids such as petrol, kerosene, or paint. These fires are very dangerous because the liquids can spread flames quickly. Never use water on them, it can make things worse. Class C fires come from electrical sources, like faulty sockets, exposed wires, or broken appliances. Water is extremely dangerous here because it can cause electric shock or even more damage. Class D fires are rare and involve burning metals like magnesium or aluminum. These usually happen in special industries or science labs, but it's good to know about them. Knowing the class of fire helps you choose the right extinguisher and the safest way to fight it. Using the wrong method can be dangerous. Let's get fire smart, practice safety drills, and always stay alert. Remember, fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Now let's see what causes fires in your leather workshop and how you can prevent them before they start. Let's talk about fire risks and why it's so important to understand them, especially in a leather workshop setting. In your school's leather workshop, there are several common causes of fire that everyone should be aware of. Faulty electrical wiring or equipment, like old wires, frayed cords, or overloaded sockets, can easily spark a fire if not checked regularly. Flammable materials such as glue, polish, and solvents catch fire easily if stored near heat sources or left open on workbenches. Carelessness, like leaving a hot tool switched on, forgetting to unplug equipment, or smoking indoors, can quickly lead to disaster in seconds. Poor housekeeping is another major hazard. Piles of leather scraps, dust, and clutter not only provide fuel for fires, but can also block escape routes, making it harder to get out safely. A clean, organized workshop is much safer and helps prevent accidents before they happen. Always store chemicals in labeled, sealed containers, unplug equipment after use, and keep all exits clear at all times. Fire safety starts with good habits and a strong awareness of your surroundings. Let's move on to how you can prevent fires before they start and make your workshop a safer place for everyone. Remember, prevention is your best defense against fire hazards in the workshop. Prevention is key. Always stay alert. Report damaged wires or strange smells immediately. Never overload sockets or leave appliances on when not in use, especially heat-producing tools. Keep your workspace tidy. Dispose of scraps and waste regularly and keep walkways clear. Store flammable liquids in sealed containers away from heat and sunlight. Use chemicals only in well-ventilated areas. Make safety everyone's responsibility. Speak up if you spot a risk. Simple habits like unplugging tools and cleaning up can prevent disaster. Fire safety is about daily choices. Next, let's look at the equipment and measures that protect you if a fire does break out. Be proactive, not reactive. Let's get prepared. Even with the best precautions, accidents can still happen when we least expect them. That's why it's so important to be prepared and know exactly what to do if a fire breaks out. Fire safety equipment is not just a formality, it's essential for protecting lives and property. Every school should have the right tools in place and make sure everyone knows where to find them. Fire extinguishers are your first line of defense against small fires. But remember, there are different types for different classes of fire. Using the wrong one can be dangerous. Always check the label and know which extinguisher to use for electrical, liquid, or solid fires. Fire alarms and smoke detectors are your early warning system. They alert everyone quickly, giving you precious time to escape before the fire spreads. Make sure these devices are tested regularly and never tampered with. Never ignore a fire alarm. Evacuate immediately, even if you think it's a drill or a false alarm. Your safety comes first. Fire drills are more than just practice. They teach you the safest escape routes and help you stay calm and focused during real emergencies. The more you practice, the better prepared you'll be. Understanding the fire triangle, heat, oxygen, and fuel, helps you know how fires start and how to stop them. All three are needed for a fire to burn. If you remove just one part of the triangle, the fire will go out. That's why knowing how to break the triangle is so important. For example, water cools and removes heat from Class A fires, while fire blankets or CO2 extinguishers cut off the oxygen supply. Each method targets a different part of the triangle. Removing flammable materials from your surroundings takes away the fuel, making it harder for a fire to start or spread. It's important to know your equipment and practice your response regularly. Fire safety is everyone's responsibility, not just the teachers or staffs. Take every drill seriously. They're designed to save lives and make sure you're ready for anything. Now let's see how the law protects you and ensures your school stays safe. Your safety is protected by law, the Nigerian Factory Act. This law requires employers to provide safe workplaces, clear exits, guarded machines, fire extinguishers, and alarms. You have the right to safety training, protective gear, and good working conditions. The Act ensures proper ventilation, lighting, and limits on working hours. Knowing your rights helps you spot dangers and speak up. Safety rules aren't just rules, they protect lives and futures. Stay alert, follow safety guidelines,